this is Abhishek from Team
Yeah,
CAT and Academy, and you might know Ria ma'am,
yeah.
the 3 educator for LRTI. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, this is Piyush, topper for the championship test.
Hi, Piyush.
Hi.
Okay, so let's get started. What was your score?
I don't remember my score actually. It was around 120, I think. 125, I think.
Sectional.
Yeah. So, uh, okay. I think the worst that I had was LRDI.
Hmm.
I don't remember the exact scores that I have. Just a minute. Let me check.
Yeah, it will be better if you can give me the exact numbers. Okay, and like, are you regularly writing mocks?
Yeah, I am taking a mock every 3 or 4 days. I've
Like,
subscribed to the
average,
Times mock. So
on an average, what's the score? Overall score?
so around 130, 140 is what I'm getting right now. So like in VARC it's fine, it's around like 60, 70, and same for so like 50, 60 for quant, but it's mostly LR and DI where I'm facing a lot of problems.
60 and 50, 110. So in 20, 30
Yeah,
LRDI.
yeah, because what happens is I sometimes get stuck on a set a lot. So like what happens is I am not used to doing LRDI sets with a structure. So it's more like I used to solve in my pastime. So what happens is when I give an exam, I also take it like a pastime and I don't do it seriously.
So then how are you preparing for CAT?
I'm doing it myself only right now. So, but I don't have a proper structure in mind for LRDI. For the others, of course, I have topics that I can study upon. But that is the main problem that is like I'm facing right now. If you could help me with that, that would be very great.
So like, do you think your basic concepts are clear regarding the topics?
Uh, yeah, I because I can solve the basic questions. What happens is, say for a distribution question where we have like 5 different parameters. What happens is I am able to understand each condition, but what happens is something that requires say 2 or 3 logical jumps. That is when I stop putting an effort, and there I mess up.
Like analysis part is not good.
Yeah, yeah.
And that is what you need to like clear LRDI.
Okay, okay.
What about calculations like DI part?
Yeah, I am good with the numbers. I don't have an issue with that. So like if the set is pure DI, probably won't have any problems, but LR is where it gets a bit more complicated.
But you will have sets like just LR, just DI, and then logical DI.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can
So
take
like
the usage of
those sets which have something like the sum of these numbers will be a multiple of 3 or something like that. So what happens is I can't actually formulate cases properly because I do the calculations in a very rough manner. So it becomes very hard to keep track of all those things.
Okay. Did you go through the past year questions of LRDI?
No, not yet. I haven't seen the past questions yet.
So that is something you have to like see to understand what type of questions appear, what is the structure, what is the pattern. And not only I'm not talking about the recent past year. In fact, you have to see from very past, from 1994 the papers are available.
Okay.
It's there till 2008, and from then 2009 till 16 the papers are not there. Even if someone claims that the paper is there, those are just memory based paper, so you can just
Okay.
ignore that. Still, from 1994 till 2008 there are 14 years paper, those, and then these 3 years. So why it is important to see the past year also is, see, what used to happen during those times, there were only two sections, LR plus VA and DI plus QA.
Okay.
So from DI the portion used to be huge, but then LR se itna nahi aata tha. They used to just have a puzzle set or a sitting arrangement. Even syllogism, ye sab, that used to be a part of LR. But now the pattern for LR have completely changed. तो आप ऐसा सोच सकते हो कि LR एक एकदम नया section है जो कि it's there in the exam, because it used to be very different. The 3 sections division have only began from 2014 onwards. So until then, LR and VA was together. You know? So this year, it's highly unpredictable. The reason being, so from last 3 years, the pattern have completely changed. And every year we see ki kuch naya, they are giving some new topic, some out of syllabus kind of topic, it's there in the exam. And uske baad, IIM Indore is setting the paper this year. And IIM Indore had set the paper in 2013 and 14. And this college was the one that brought this change. जो 2 सेक्शन थे उसमें 3 IIM इंदौर ने किया था 2014 में, है ना? So and IIM Indore is also known for a tough DI section.
Okay.
ठीक है. So this year it's like very unpredictable कि क्या होगा, whether it will be easy, tough, which topic, like nobody can tell you that. ठीक है. So it's very tough, but then if your analysis skills are good, if you can work on that part, then you don't have to worry. Analysis हमें आ गया, हमें clue पढ़ के उसको समझ के convert कर पा रहे हैं, तो कैसा भी question हो, whichever topic it is from, it will not matter at the end of the day. You will be able to do it. So to
like
work on,
how to analyze, like what I do is I just look at the solution and like get done with it. But what could be a better way to do that?
so that's what I'm telling you. इसलिए it's important that you go through the old PYQs first, है ना?
Okay.
And then you go through the new PYQs. तो आपको एक pattern एक समझ में आएगा, है ना? कि how there are 8 sets and it is like near to impossible to solve all 8 in 60 minutes, है ना? आप 5-6 भी कर लोगे, you'll end up with a good percentile. Like with the 5+ sets, if you have a 90+ accuracy, like 20 questions if you're doing, and if you have 18-19 ऐसा आप correct कर लेते हो, तो आपका 99 percentile कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. That too I'm talking in a very very easy paper. Paper tough रहा, तो आपको कम questions में you can achieve that percentile.
Okay.
ठीक है?
नहीं
So
तो
that's
इशू यही होता है कि I cannot select sets properly. ऐसा होता है कि I keep cycling between the 8 sets. ऐसा एक पे कुछ मिनट किया, फिर उसके बाद I see I am not able to reach to a solution. So what I do is I switch to another, and that is how it keeps rolling. And then the time is up.
Like most of them are facing, and मैं एकदम परेशान हो गई हूँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं इसका क्या आंसर दूँ. But see the thing is, आप लोग क्या करते हो, like you are not focused, है ना? आपका मन में रहता है कि if I'm doing this first set, maybe आगे और 7 set है, उसमें से कोई और easy होगा शायद.
हाँ, exactly.
That's the thing that's going on in your mind, है ना? That is why you're not able to concentrate on this. So see, for that again, that's the reason we take so many mocks, so that we can work on these things, है ना? We can build a strategy that works the best for us. क्योंकि sets choosing का there is no strategy as such. कोई formula थोड़े ना है यार कि ये set देखेंगे और पता लग जाएगा कि अच्छा ये करना है कि नहीं करना है. There is no such thing, right? So only once we start to solve it, फिर हमें समझ में आता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, 2-4-5 मिनट बाद कि अच्छा ठीक है, होगा नहीं होगा, या फिर होगा नहीं होगा तो चलो it's a later thing, but at least do we know the next step or not? अभी हमें क्या करना है next? अगर हम वहीं पे अटक गए तो उसको छोड़ना है ना. You have to leave that there. वो नहीं कर पाते, लगता है अरे नहीं
Right. Like, after some time you keep struggling.
हाँ. तो ये सब चीजों पे you will have to work during the mock, and even while you practice, है ना? ये जो choosing का फंडा है, there is no such thing. ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. I don't know why you are struggling with that, क्योंकि it's not a thing कि कैसे choose करेंगे. There is no way, है ना? Like in my class, if you would have seen, I don't know, but I have proved n number of times कि a set can appear very tough and it can be very easy, or it can appear very easy and it can be very tough. Deceptive sets जो होते हैं, that is what IIMs are working on these days. आपको वही मिलेंगे सबसे ज्यादा. पेपर टफ नहीं होता, पेपर वो दिखाते हैं कि टफ है ना? तो दिखावा है सब कुछ, है ना? इट्स वेरी टफ, ऐसा दिखाएंगे पर एक्चुअली ऐसा है नहीं. तो ये फिर उनके लिए जिनका एनालिसिस स्ट्रांग है, सो दे वांट द वंस जिनका एनालिसिस स्ट्रांग है, ना कि जो रट के आ गए हो.
Right.
उनको साइड करना है ना? So that's why you have to work on your analysis skills. That's the only thing, and for that the key is practice. So now I think how many days are left? Almost 85.
90. Yeah, 85.
नहीं है, ठीक है. So like you can set a target कि मुझे 1000 sets करने हैं in all together, like even including the mocks में आपके 5-5 करके काउंट कर लो, तो आप 20-30 mock लिखोगे, उसमें हो गए कुछ sets, and then remaining per day at least 10 sets you have to work on that. क्योंकि आप बता रहे हो इतना week भी है, so even if you can do more than 10, it will be even better. So for that, where will you practice from? So you can begin with the old PYQs and then the new ones, and then you can use the classes है ना. सो फ्री क्लासेस भी रहती है यहाँ पे और प्लस भी है ज्वाइन व्हाटएवर, है ना. तो वो कर लो बिकॉज सी यू आर डूइंग क्वाइट वेल. सिर्फ एक सेक्शन की वजह से आई डोंट वांट कि आपका ऐसे अटक जाए ना.
लाइक सेक्शनल कट ऑफ का ही इशू लग रहा है मुझे तो.
हाँ, तो 60-60 अगर आपने क्वांट और बीएआरसी में कर भी लिया, यू जस्ट हैव टू गेट लाइक 40 भी आप ले आते हो डीआईएलआर में सही से, तो आपका 99 प्लस ओवरऑल क्रॉस हो जाएगा एंड सेक्शनल भी आराम से क्रॉस हो जाएंगे. तो यू आर जस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग विद दोस 20 मार्क्स इन.
Yeah, even that is like very uneven. कभी होता है कि I'm able to solve sets, but other times mostly नहीं हो पाता है.
किस में डीआईएलआर में बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, DILR.
ओके, तो वही मतलब वो आपको सर्टन करना पड़ेगा लाइक मे बी लाइक टिल यू कैन यूज योर सितंबर वेल, है ना. बट बाय 1st of October you should be like, what's your target percentile?
Like, the highest I'm not keeping any bar.
Okay, so still like 99 plus तो कुछ भी
हाँ
लाना
हाँ.
है. तो 99 plus का यही है कि you have to get a overall 150 plus. And what background are you from?
I'm from IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, so
Engineering.
इंजीनियर का एक और इशू है. देखो ये सच है ना. सो आई डोंट वांट टू डिमोटिवेट यू और एनीथिंग, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज, वैसे तो ऐसा दिखाते हैं कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना, इंजीनियर हो, कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड हो, बट देयर इज अ थिंग ना, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग, व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट एडमिशन. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, सपोज एक कॉलेज, कोई भी एक कॉलेज किसी एक कॉमर्स वाले बंदे को अगर 150 प्लस पे मिल रहा है, सपोज 155 पे मिल रहा है, हो सकता है वही कॉलेज आपको 180 पे मिले. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज देयर आर अदर क्राइटेरियाज. दे विल हैव सम पॉइंट्स फॉर दोज हु आर फ्रॉम कॉमर्स एंड दोज हु आर फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग, नॉन इंजीनियरिंग एंड इंजीनियरिंग. व्हाई डिड दे डू दैट? इज बिकॉज दे वांट डाइवर्सिटी इन देयर कॉलेज. नहीं तो क्या हो रहा था, बिकॉज इट इज सेट कि इंजीनियर्स लोग का तो हो ही जाता है, तो बहुत सारे इंजीनियर्स इकट्ठा हो गए थे उनके कॉलेजेस में ना. सो दे वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ डाइवर्सिटी एंड देयरफॉर दे हैव सेट दिस बैरियर्स. सो अगर हम अंदर की बात करें तो यू विल नीड टू मेक एन एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट in terms of that. तो आप 150 प्लस की जगह आई विल टेल यू कीप अ टारगेट ऑफ 170 प्लस. तो आप वो भी लेके चलो, है ना. तो लाइक यू आर टेलिंग कि अभी बीआरसी में इफ इट इज 60, क्वांट में इफ इट इज 50, सो देयर आल्सो यू हैव अ गुड स्कोप, यू कैन पुश इट बाय 10 कम से कम 10 मार्क्स वहां पे पुश कर सकते हो. एंड साइड बाय साइड वर्क ऑन डीआईएलआर, उसको तो आपको बेसिक से ही करना है. सो इस मंथ उसको आप करते रहो. मतलब VARC and quant you can just keep on doing it to maintain and like have a gradual increase, and LRDI just focus on that 10, 12, 15 sets, how much ever you can do, and also you have to try doing the sets within a particular time. Time is very important because it's all about that at the end of the day. 60 minutes में आपको बहुत आता भी है तो आप जितना सॉल्व करोगे उसके बेसिस पे आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे, है ना.
So I am able to solve basic sets, but high level sets में इशू होता है थोड़ा.
तो सिर्फ बेसिक सेट्स आएंगे भी तो 2-3 आएंगे.
हाँ.
बट देन टू क्रॉस द थिंग, आपको जो टारगेट है वो क्रॉस करने के लिए आपको 1-2 मॉडरेट सेट्स तो करने ही
पड़ेंगे. राइट. ओके.
फिर कुछ भी पता नहीं है ना, लाइक वेदर इफ इट इज अ टफ पेपर और एन इजी पेपर, वो तो आपको निकल के पता लगेगा एग्जाम हॉल में. व्हाइल यू आर सिटिंग देयर आपको तो यही रहेगा ना कि मैं 5-6 सेट्स मेरा टारगेट है वो मुझे करने हैं. राइट. तो उस वक्त क्या होता है कि अगर आप ठीक से प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो तो वहीं पे सपोज आपका फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स यू पिक द रॉन्ग सेट, गया आपका तो वो 60 मिनट्स लाइक इट कैन बी अ वेरी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट, नो. एंड देन उसके बाद क्यूए सेक्शन, सो यू कैन नॉट टेक दैट रिस्क क्योंकि ये सेक्शन बीच में पड़ता है तो वैसे भी रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट नाउ. इट्स लाइक अ डू एंड डाई सिचुएशन. सो इट्स नॉट दैट टफ. आई एम श्योर लाइक यू लुक capable enough, you will be able to do it. Just work on it सही तरीके से.
Okay.
और कोई डाउट?
नहीं यही है. Like LRDI is the only thing that is troubling me. I think others, if I work hard on, I'll be able to improve because there is a specific syllabus, but not for in this case.
Okay. So also you can, है ना, refer to classes, है ना, classes होती है रोज. I don't know आप Unacademy पे कर रहे हो classes?
हाँ, मतलब कभी अभी just start किया, like last 1 month. So
ठीक है, तो क्लासेस वगैरह करो, है ना. क्लासेस हो रही है, मतलब फ्री क्लासेस भी होती है, और अदरवाइज अगर आप प्लस के लिए जाना चाहते हो यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. ठीक है. और अभिषेक कुछ?
मैं सुन रहा था, मैं भी थोड़ा, you know, I was also learning some things, the mistakes that I had done in my CAT preparations. Yeah. So Piyush, like, do you have prior work experience before this?
What? I didn't get you.
Do you have any prior work experience before this?
No, I'm currently in my final year.
Okay, you have.
Integrated course? Integrated course है क्या?
Huh? Yeah, integrated course.
5 years.
Okay. So, Piyush, like, if you have any other doubts regarding anything, regarding mocks, regarding kuch bhi ho, so Riya ma'am is all here, so you can ask her any questions you want.
Like, no, see, I am not able to improve on my accuracy, like, if I can say so, because like when I keep giving mocks, I'm somehow not serious at all. So what happens is I often go for 2 or 3 questions, like ले लेते risk, क्या पता एग्जाम में भी लग जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा सोच के I just attempt 2-3 questions and that is what takes my score down. So आप क्या suggest करोगे ऐसा कि like when I give mocks I give them seriously?
हाँ वो तो करना है, तो यू हैव टू थिंक नो कि मैं एक्चुअल एग्जाम जैसा ही है, क्योंकि एक आपका जो एक्चुअल एग्जाम होगा दैट विल जस्ट बी लाइक वन ऑफ द मॉक्स. कभी
Oh,
अच्छा
okay.
होता है ना, वो फाइनली इट कम्स डाउन टू दैट. So you cannot, like, I think you should take it very seriously. पूरे like 3 hours like you're sitting in the exam hall वैसे ही बैठ के एकदम अच्छे से मॉक देना है very seriously, है ना. एक मतलब ऐसे कि बस इसी यही हमारा एकदम फाइनल स्कोर डिटरमाइन करेगा. हर मॉक आपको उतने ही सीरियसनेस से देना होगा, है ना. और कि ऐसे ही करूंगा मैं एग्जाम में भी, क्योंकि देखो स्ट्रैटेजी की अगर हम बात करें, मॉक राइटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी जो हम बोलते हैं, so there is not one particular strategy. There is, if they're like, suppose I talk about LRDI only. So कोई लोग बोलते हैं कि what we do is first 10 minutes we look at all the sets and then we decide what to solve and then we start solving. कोई लोग ऐसी strategy लगाते हैं, but then that strategy does not work for me, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं 10 मिनट अगर सेट्स देखने में वेस्ट कर दूंगी तो मेरे पास 50 मिनट ही बचेंगे सॉल्व करने को, एंड मुझे तो देख के नहीं पता लगता यार कि मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं. So I don't go by that strategy, but that works well for some of them. So what I feel is कि there is not like, it's not like one strategy for all. There is no such thing. I feel that the strategy it have to be devised like आपको खुद को अपना strategy ढूंढना है. You have to look for it. You have to figure it out. You have to, all the experiment that you want to do, you have to do it in your mock phase. And then after a few mocks, you should have your particular एक strategy कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए सही काम कर रहे हैं. So what works for me, if I have to tell that, what I do is like मैं ये सोच के बैठती हूँ कि मुझे 30 minutes, first 30 minutes में I have to do somehow the sets which I am comfortable with. So even I go through the set, but I stop at the ones, जैसे मुझे suppose LR is my comfortable area in LRDI. So I'll stop at LR sets, है ना, जो भी मुझे suppose एक puzzle का set दिखा, तो वो तो सबसे मेरा best, मुझे एकदम पसंद है ना. So I'll stop at that and I'll solve that. So in the first 30 minutes, what I try to do is 3 set करके रख लो, तो उससे क्या होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस भी आता है कि हाँ चलो 3 सेट तो हो गए, नाउ हाफ एन आवर इज देयर, और एक सिक्योर हो गए हैं. अब जो एक्स्ट्रा 15 मिनट लगा के 2 और भी कर लिए तो 99 प्लस तो हो गया, कहीं नहीं जा. सो दैट इज माय स्ट्रेटजी, है ना. तो वैसे करके यू हैव टू फिगर आउट योर स्ट्रेटजी कि आपके लिए क्या काम करे. तो मॉक सीरियसली दोगे तभी कर पाओगे ना, कि अगर इस मॉक में कुछ खराब हुआ, ऑल्सो इट्स अबाउट एनालिसिस. मॉक एनालिसिस करते हो?
हाँ वही सॉल्यूशंस एंड लाइक ट्राई अगेन.
हाँ, and not only that कि कहाँ गलती हुई. If I have got a less score than previous mock, why? Like which point am I lacking? Is it some subjective part? कोई concept है जो weak है, कोई, है ना, मतलब कि क्या problem हुआ कि मैंने गलत strategy अपनाई, क्या मुझे कुछ change करके देखना है. These things you have to work on, है ना. कि
and also what happens in LRDI is that, say if I miss one set, I miss 4 questions in a single bunch, so that is something that hurts a lot. So which is why the variation is a lot more than say quant or VARC.
That's what it is actually a tough section in that sense, and क्योंकि it was not a part of our academics as well. That's the thing. But then it's quite interesting, like you have to find interest ना, फिर मजा आएगा.
That sometimes even becomes a problem, no? Because like
कुछ सिनेरियो बताते हैं, इसको मैच करो, ये करो, मतलब it's nothing cricket से related sets आते हैं, क्या है ना. So you have to just find some interest and then you will see, जब होने लगेगा ना तो खुद से ही मजा आएगा. तो अभी आपसे
जब ऐसा होता है ना कि इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है, तो ऐसा होता है कि like I spend more time than is needed, क्योंकि ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लग गया है.
तो अभी आप थोड़ा अभी क्या करो, उल्टा करो, है ना, रिवर्स लगाते हैं, रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी लगाते हैं, थोड़ा ज्यादा लगाते हैं ताकि इंटरेस्टिंग लगने लग जाए. ठीक है, yeah, so work on that, हो जाएगा.
More sets, it's not like you have to do all the sets यार. All the sets करके भी तुम्हें So you have to have that. चलो यार नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. चलो. That's
Like
okay.
yeah,
हाँ
if
हाँ.
I have to share an experience, 2019 में I tried this है ना. I thought कि इस बार ज़्यादा sets करती हूँ. उसके चक्कर में क्या हुआ कि I did 6.5 sets, but then एक set पूरा wrong हो गया.
Okay.
in hurry. तो उससे better होता I would have solved 5 only. I would have ended up with the same score. So like in
Yeah.
2008, I did only 5 sets and I had a 99.59 percentile. And this year, in spite of doing 6.5, I had only 99.29. तो कम
Yeah.
हो गया because एक पूरा set wrong हो गया है ना. So ज़्यादा set करने का नहीं है यहाँ पे. It's all about accuracy. तो वो भी देखना है. Accuracy is very important. है ना. एक one attempted, not attempted, and incorrectly attempted question can make a huge difference.
So how many questions in a section would you say is like good accuracy? Or like in a whole paper, what would you say? Like how many number of questions wrong?
Like 32 में से मैंने आपको बताया, if you do 20 also, there are 32 LRD. I know if you do 20 also, like 5 sets. And if after that you get 18, 19, 18 correct also, you will enter 99 plus. So that year 2018, I told you I had 99.59. So I had done 20 and 19 were correct.
Okay.
तो 18 भी correct होते तो 99 point कुछ तो आया ही रहता. तो वैसे. And it was an easy paper. This year also 2019 was easy paper. 2017, if we talk about, it was a very difficult paper. So that year with just 3 sets, you could have ended up with a 98 plus. तो easy रहेगा तब का बात कर रही हूँ मैं. Tough रहा तो 3.5 set में भी maybe आप 99 plus touch कर जाओ.
ये predict करना मुश्किल है. और like इस बार तो I think many people will be doing CAT.
Yeah, that's the thing. But then the toppers को क्या फर्क पड़ता है ना कितने लोग लिख रहे हैं. वो तो पीछे आएंगे. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly. And I'm Piyush, we're really expecting that, after the CAT 2020 results are out, you will be one of the toppers. So we'll be really glad to, put a big frame of Piyush Kedia as one of our CAT toppers from an academy. So
let's see. I hope I'll be able to do well.
Okay. So yeah.
ये वो जो इंटरव्यू हुआ था ना, so there is interview on YouTube ना, वो IIM Ahmedabad.
Right. Shubham.
He had done an integrated course from IIT. So he was telling me there is some added advantage, like if you're from an integrated course. So I don't know if you can find out.
Not from the coursework perspective. I hope it's in the interview part.
Yeah.
Yes.
So here, do your best here, and then you can expect something really good ahead of you.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Okay. So any more questions, Piyush? Anything that you would like to share with Riya ma'am and Riya ma'am? Do you have any experience that you would like to
this
share?
actually helped. I had a lot of very random questions. I had no idea who to ask, so this actually helped.
Okay. Yeah, come on, man. That's
They're
what
very
an
random.
academy is here for.
Any queries?
Yeah.
That's what an academy is here for. Come on.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Riya ma'am, any more experiences? Any more things that you would like to say to Piyush?
Yeah, anything would help. Actually.
Experience तो बता दिया मैंने, और क्या बताऊं? और क्या है? मतलब you can even try sectionals लिखते हो?
हाँ, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा LRDI sectionals ही practice कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि I'm very tensed about that.
That is a good plan also. Okay, you can हर दिन ही लिख सकते हो. Like alternate, suppose VRC आज लिखो, then QA, then LRDI again. It can go on, and then weekend पे you can take a mock. So ऐसे करके you can plan for your 7 days. Then one more thing, you can have having a plan is very important. You have seen that we play this game tic-tac-toe. We used to play in school behind our books. क्या होता था उस गेम में भी आपने देखा है कि there needs to be a strategy to win it. इतना छोटा सा एक गेम है ना, उसमें भी एक स्ट्रैटेजी, एक प्लान चाहिए होती है कि कैसे हम आगे से सोचे कि लास्ट में हम कैसे जीत सकते हैं. सो यार ये तो मतलब इतने बड़े एग्जाम की हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो सोचो कि वहां पे कितना स्ट्रैटेजी और प्लानिंग हमारा होना चाहिए. सो अगर कोई स्टूडेंट आपके जैसा अगर लैक कर जाएगा ना, तो वो कहाँ लैक करेगा? प्लानिंग में. सो यू शुड हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लान और स्ट्रैटेजी. तो उस पर भी वर्क करो. One part of the plan can be that you should touch all the 3 sections daily. Are you doing that?
Okay. No, not really. I mean, I am not doing VARC as much, but because the others I'm trying to do as much as possible.
So because you think that क्योंकि उसमें तो अच्छा स्कोर आ रहा है तो वो तो आ ही जाएगा हो ही जाएगा उसको रहने
I
देते हैं
mean, sort of. हाँ, वैसा
वो
हो
ठीक
सकता है.
दिखेगा लास्ट में है ना. So you should not ignore that. Like अगर ठीक भी है तो like 1 hour, just 1 hour every morning, 20 minutes reading किया और 40 minutes में 2-4 RC देख लिए, है ना.
Okay.
तो वो like first thing you can get over with this VRC portion in 1 hour in the morning.
Yeah.
Then you can work on the other sections. उसके बाद accordingly, like you're saying कि अभी फिलहाल you want to work on TILR, but then again don't
हाँ.
ignore want also. Find at least 2 hours for it, है ना, कि थोड़ा
Okay.
miscellaneous practice ही कर ली, कोई टॉपिक अगर मतलब कुछ और, क्योंकि अभी एनहांस भी करना है ना. QA also you told it's just around 50, so why
Yeah,
not
yeah.
we take around 65. जितना ज्यादा जब अगर
Yeah, like
ये
some topics like geometry, etc. I haven't touched at all. So, like if I get that done, I think my scores will improve.
So work on that. Like I think you should touch like थोड़ा भी 5 questions ही आज टाइम नहीं मिला तो 5 questions ही कर दिए क्वांट के, बस किया, बस वो
हाँ.
डेली उसको टच किया, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है
Okay.
ना. तो this is what you can work.
And Piyush, we have this advanced workshop also coming. You know, we'll be launching it on September 5th. Be a part
Okay.
of that. It's a 24 days advanced workshop. So Aram, you can just put forward whatever questions you might have missed in this session or whatever doubts you might have missed in this session. You can clarify in that sessions as well.
Oh,
So
okay,
you can be
sure.
a part of that workshop as well. So you can be a part of that as well. And Piyush, thank you so much for being a part of this.
Thank you so much for this. Like, I hope this will help me.
And so if you need any more help, any more assistance, just reach out to us anytime, okay? And we'll be glad to help you back. All right. We're expecting 2020 to be like very big for us. All right. Thank you so much, Riyama. Thank you so much, Piyush.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.